I like working for the rescue because it feels like a family here. Hi, my name is Vladimir. I work as a shipping lead for the rescue. I'm gonna be showing you how to set up reusable Yellowjacket trap. First, we're gonna remove the packaging from the tube. While removing the cone from the trap, pinch it a little bit harder in because it sometimes gets stuck. Inside the tube, we have a attractant and a cotton ball. The cotton ball we're gonna be putting inside the cap. We're gonna cut the tip of attractant, and then we're gonna pour that attractant inside the cap on a cotton ball. Then we're gonna take the cone back, insert it back in a tube, and screw the cap back on a tube tightly. We're gonna use a string wire or a twist tie and put it through the thread on a tube. Hang the trap away from the house and the kids' playing area and about 20 feet away from the nest. Pretty soon after it's all set up, yellow jackets are gonna start flying towards it, being attracted by pheromone that's inside the attractant. After 2 weeks, you're gonna need one of these. They're good for 10 weeks. I worked for rescue 21 years, and my dad, he's a line assembler and mom does quality control. We were grateful being hired in the same company, so if they needed something, I was able to help them.